Well, hello, folks. On Sunday, there's the chickens. I'm going to try to keep it each day under 2 minutes, or 2 minutes at least, at most. All right. My brother and cousin wanted to feed a lot this brown chicken, and had they got food and water. It's obvious she doesn't lay eggs. But yeah, they want to kill her and eat her. But I'm going to move it so that it doesn't get rained on. Here's my 3 white chickens. All of them look good. I need to give them some water. I'm surprised to see if they laid in here or not, because normally they lay in the other end. Alright. So, chickens. These chickens over here, yeah, I got 2 eggs. But, that's what happens when they don't get enough calcium. A real brittle shell, like this, like very brittle. Or just the lining itself. Yeah, that's the inside of like the shell. Like the thing, you know? Yep. Apparently when my cousin and brother fed them yesterday, they fed them way too much. And I couldn't find my bucket. Whoa, did you see that? That was Jet. Alright. Whoa. Hey, Meadow can get out of here. Oh boy. Alright. Get down from there, Meadow. I'm gonna have to really pay attention here, you know? Alright. Oh man. Okay then. Alright. Alright then. I'll do something. Oh gosh. Alright. Get this and put it over top of them. Whoa. Golly. Okay. And do this. Well, as y'all saw, they were very flighty and wanting to fly. So I really got to keep a close watch on them now. I did the usual. Emptied the tray, the grit tray, and filled it up, and cleaned the water and all that. And they got plenty of food. They are growing and getting stronger and being more curious about flying. You can tell more their feathers are coming out, because you can compare Jet and Pearl, and also Scarlet and Little Red. I'll try to take a couple close-up shots. Good afternoon, everybody. Here is a new bucket. I think they call them zinc buckets. But here's the chickens. It's a nice, pretty sunny day. After the rain we got this morning. Brown chicken. Oh man, the crate fell down. Alright, now I have to fix that. She's got plenty of water, and she should have plenty of feed over there. Say hello, first brown hen. Okay. Yeah. I actually don't know what happened to my other one, my other bucket, but I may do. But the chickens probably won't know what to think with the bucket that ain't white. Too tall for you now, ain't it? I wonder if they laid any eggs too. Hopefully we actually got some. Oh, that feels weird on my foot. Hot dog. Ow! Nothing hit me. It was just something flew out. Just reactionary, you know. One egg. That's a golf ball comparison. It's a very large egg. You know, don't get them this big. Hey, you dumb chicken. You dumb chicken. Alright. What's going on now, chicken? Huh? Put this over here. Okay. Do that for now. Alright now, chickens. Alright now. There we are. Alright. That's within the time limit. Alright. Well, there's the little chickens. There's the hen. I'll put a picture in here when I fix that. The crate that fell over. Alright. Well, back again. I did the usual, you know. Got the water and the grit, and I guess I'll let them forage for themselves on the feed since they knocked it all on the floor. Here they are, all at the watering hole. Today my dad and I went to the dump and dropped off some trash. I don't know if you've heard about it, but Sprite has come out with Sprite Ginger and Sprite Tropical. It's got a red top on it. The Sprite Ginger, I don't know if I had something on my hands when I opened it. Before I opened it, because we got it right after we got the trash. Dumped it off. But it's got a different aftertaste to it. You know, it's not like the plain old lemon lime, but it's got an aftertaste to it. I don't know, you may like it and you may not. We stopped at a convenience store, Jones's Market. Give them some free advertising. Yeah, we stopped and got gas because my dad had about a half a tank in the truck. Fill it up while it's nice and cheap, you know. And told me to get him a Sierra Mist, and they didn't have any, so I got the best equivalent I could. I got him a normal Sprite. It was $1 a bottle. Got 2, and at least that's what the thing said. The advertisement, and there, and it was $3.24. That's after tax. So yeah, Virginia has some tax. All states do, but you know. Yep. Well, hello folks. This is Tuesday. With the chickens here. I'll go ahead and feed them first. There you go. And we got an egg. Woo! It's that wasp again. Get on out of there, get on out of there. You going? Oh. Alright, we're gonna put an end to his life. Must have heard me. Okay, well, I'll get the egg. As compared to a golf ball. There you go. There they are eating. And there's the brown chicken over there. Wishing she was over here, walking the fence. At night when they get to roost all the chickens, they try to get up there, you know, so they can talk together. Alright, that's the end of this one with the big chickens. Alright, hey everybody. This is Tuesday with the chicks. I made a ruler, or you know, a stick that I can measure with. So but yeah, you might like this. You got USA Imperial in inches, and you got everyone else in metric and centimeters. I might move it so it'll be more where they're at. Oh, you see they're all enjoying the perch I made for them. Oh, if you heard that, that was my brother. Oh, you can't see that. Okay. Now let's do this. I don't think we like that too much. Maybe just alright, I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this. Oh, that's what I can do. I can put it in that corner over there. Alright. You see my little chicks. We're drawing near to the 2-minute mark. Well, we're back on Thursday, April the 23rd with another chicken video. I already got the feed. It's been raining most of the day today. So it's about at least 7:30. It was just for the starting then. See if they got me any eggs today. Also, let's see if the wasp came back. No? No eggs either. Must have been taking a day off, huh? Oh, wait a minute, I can't see that one corner. Still no. Okay. That's alright, you can have a day off. Just make sure you hadn't laid any out here. No, I don't see any eggs. Hey, brown chicken. Alright, well, I think that's where before when there was, that was just the skin of it. But yeah. Let's see if the brown chicken needs any. Hey, she needs some food. I'm really thinking right seriously about just letting her be free or just with the other ones. But that's just me. I'll keep doing it like this, but it's kind of inconvenient. Hey, brown lady. How you doing today, huh? There we go. Ain't gonna have no drips. I just jerked the thing, the fence. Yeah, all this got wet, didn't it? Sure did. I'm just gonna feed it like this. There's no real reason for me to do it otherwise. Oh, that's where all the feed went. Oh. I'll just have it in here. Ain't gotta worry about it getting wet in there. See, I'm just gonna do that. Oh, now, come on now. There we go. Oh, to be plenty enough for you, lady? How you faring, huh? Ow! Okay. Alright. That's the end of this video. Alright, here's Thursday, April the 23rd on Little Chicks. Tomorrow, God willing, I'm gonna clean out all this mess and probably put a whole lot less chips in there. Yep, that's what I'm planning on anyways. You can tell my little chicks are getting big, and the other, they're all getting their feathers and getting more of their bigger feathers on them. Better watch out. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, did you see that? I think she tried to jump out. I forgot, I better get my screen. I get this screen so I can still see good. Yep. There's my little chicks. Both Little Red and Scarlet are getting to looking more like, well, kind of like a reddish brown. And the rest of them, see, you got little Meta down here. She's over there. She's getting her more adult-like feathers on her back. You see that? You see that? Can't tell if that's Little or... No, that's Scarlet. I think I can tell Little Red. See, Little Red has, like black on... I guess... I don't know. She got a few, like, blackened feathers on the ends. Well, I don't know. At least that's what I noticed. See? See her? You know we're talking about you. Alright. Well. That'll be the end of this video, guys. Alright, so today is Friday, April the 24th. One of my white hens had actually been kind of sick looking, about, I don't know, last week, and I tried to do the best I could for it, and a day or so after that, my nanny said it was looking fine. The other day, my uncle came to take care of the eggs and chickens and all that, and it was dead out here, and he took care of it. Yep. That's the fact. Everybody else is still doing fine. I hadn't checked on my chicks yet. But he said he had. Yeah, my dad's mowing grass, if you can hear that. Yeah. Going to go to the chicks now. Hey everybody. This is Friday, and as I had said, I was able to clean out the chickens. I like this setup a whole lot better. I put sand, like this sand and grit I got from the creek and along the pasture where it washed out when we had a bunch of rain one time. And I picked that up, and I already had it, but I poured that down first. And then I put the little chips in the one end. And yep. They're all growing and getting more feathers. You can see the red ones little red and scarlet are getting more feathers. You can see their bigger feathers are coming in. And it's hard to watch Meadow because you can see she's got like a really fluffy collar. And obviously, Jet is the biggest and most developed because she's the oldest. And then Pearl, she's beginning to look more like Jet. But, yep. My little chickens. Alright. God willing, I'll get another video up. Another video of the little chicks tomorrow. See what they do to the place while I'm gone. But, alright. Good night, y'all. Alright, today is Saturday, April the 25th. Right, yeah. It was kind of cloudy this morning and a little humid. And the wind started coming in and it started cooling off. Feel like temperature anyways. And then about time to come home, at least legal time ended. It was, I got enough here. About time, yes. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but I stepped in the bucket and tripped. God's always keeping me humble. Nope. There. Might as well pour the rest of it on there. Okay. Let's just see if they laid the eggs. My uncle said that we was fine to one egg. Compared to a golf ball. In my hand, yes. These are large eggs. My uncle said we're good to turn the brown one back into the normal. Cousin isn't going to eat the egg, the chicken. Make it easier on me that way anyways. And guess who makes a guest appearance today? My brother.
What are you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video here. Alright, round chicken, you're free to go to the other lot. They ain't eating you anymore. At least Blake isn't, my cousin.
Why?
Because my uncle told me.
Alright, that should wrap up the chickens for this week. I'll do the chick video next. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last chicken video for this week. This is the little chicks on Saturday. Okay.
Today's Saturday?
Yes, today is Saturday. My brother did not know what day it was, but that's okay.
Sorry for me committing sin.
Oh, shut up.
It's after number.
So he already took care of the dirty work for me.
Yeah, because I knew the work.
Okay, so even to the great length I went to try to avoid getting all the mess in the water. You saw how yesterday the chips were all only in that back end. Well, you see where they're at now. So yeah, and there was a bunch of junk in the water. Little chicks are messy. You're just gonna have to deal with that part. But yeah, we went hunting this morning. We didn't hear a thing. And we walked all over the place. Still didn't hear a thing. Calling as we went. Yep. Little Red has been looking mighty funny at me today. Giving these strange looks. Don't mind this background noise. That's just my brother playing around. He has, I'll actually show you. He has put ropes on the rafters and is playing around. Yep, that's my brother. Now, if he gets hurt, I'm not responsible for this. I have video evidence. It's all his doing.
What?
Alright. That's the videos for this week, guys. Thank y'all for watching. And if you subscribe and comment, just tell me what you think in the comments. God willing, I'll see you on the next one.
See ya. See ya.